Hi all, and welcome to this drawing of Pikachu in 3D. And we are also going to cut out the drawing. Here you see my pre-study, and the effect is amazing. Now what we want to do first is, when you start drawing, is to take an HB graphite pencil. And that is because when you make a boo-boo, you can still erase that out. And once you're happy with your drawing, then you can start going over it with your black marker. So first, try to draw out Pikachu as good as you can with the HB graphite pencil. Now on his arms there is one thumb and 4 little fingers. You can see it here. Thumb and 4 small fingers, and from the arms down there is his body. Now it's very hard to see because this is just graphite setup, and in a moment I will draw everything with the marker. And what is also very nice is that Pikachu is jumping out of the paper. So what I'm doing here is I draw in little cracks in the paper where Pikachu is jumping from. Okay, now that I'm happy with the setup, I can go over my graphite drawing with the marker. And as you can see, I spare out those little dots in the eye. And here you can see the cheeks, and I already start coloring in the points of his ears. Now the ears I've drawn in a little bit longer because I'm going to make a picture when the drawing is a little bit more flat. So exaggerate the ears a little bit. Here you can see the crack in the paper, so I'm going over that with the marker also. And what I do also is draw in the hole itself, all colored in black. Now once you've done that, it is time to start coloring in your Pikachu. For this coloring in, I'm using a very yellow brush pen, but of course you can also do this with those yellow markers that are very bright of color. So those are very good too to use. Be careful not to draw in too much into the black. Sometimes they smudge up a little bit, so I draw carefully around the black lines. Then it's time to draw in the color of the cheeks, and I do not have the perfect color, so I put in a little bit of orange and then put over pink a little bit. And the inside of the mouth I just keep pink. Now what is also very nice is to draw in little shadows on Pikachu itself, here underneath the mouth and also on the belly where he's jumping out of the paper. This gives an extra 3D effect. Once you're done with coloring in, then it's time to draw in a straight line, so I'm using a ruler here. And this is the fun part, because now it's time to cut out your drawing. What I do first is I go roughly around Pikachu. Now the ears are very easy, so I already I'm cutting them out really sharp. But for the fingers I need to be more precise, so I carefully go around each and every finger and thumb to make sure that those are really nicely cut out. And then your drawing is finished. Then it's time to pick up your camera and see for the good angle to get a maximum 3D effect. In this case I've put it on the edge of the table, and the effect is amazing. So good luck on your drawing. I hope you like this video. Then please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in my next tutorial.